an overview of the sales forecast calculator template. To use this template, we need to have the add-on installed and activated. In case you haven't already installed the add-on, just go to add-ons, get add-ons, and search for Gorilla ROI. Install the required add-on. Once installed, the add-on will appear here. You will get an option here that says use this add-on. Click use this add-on and then come back here again. Now it will say add user ID. Since I have already activated mine, the menu looks a bit different. Let me show you how the add user ID box appears. This is the add user ID box. I have already added my user ID, you just have to type in or copy paste yours. Once that's done, hit save. In case the save button doesn't work, just use the incognito mode of your browser. Now you should start seeing data in the column E, since we are using sales count formula here. We do not really need to make any changes in any of the sheets. Let me explain it a bit further. So these are the calculations that are being run for the dashboard to work. Here you have the seasonal average depending on the sales. So these are the units sold, and then it's the same here. Instead of using the units, we are using the values here, and then it's the same thing here as well. Same goes for these and so on. Now let's get back to the dashboard. So here you just need to type in the SKU that you want to find the details for. So now I have all the details, product details here, the units forecast, the sales forecast, and then we have it in tabular form as well. Here's the seasonal average for the SKU I typed above. We can use multiple SKUs. You can type another SKU here and then another one here. Then we have the instructions tab here. The instructions tab contains the instructions on how to activate and use the add-on. Then we have the color legends, and the colors that we use in our sheets are mentioned here. Then we have the glossary tab that contains the list of all the custom functions that we offer. If you want more details for any of these functions, just click on this and it will take you to our webpage. Thank you.